When to become one, unraveling the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in songs, movies, or even read in books. When to become one. This expression holds a special place in both literal and metaphorical contexts, and understanding it can enrich your grasp of English. So, let's unravel this together. When to become one is a phrase that, on the surface, talks about the merging or coming together of two entities into a single unit. It's often used to describe situations or processes where two elements are combined to create something new and unified. This can be seen in various contexts, from science, like when two chemicals react to form a new substance, to everyday life, like mixing two colors of paint to get a new shade. In a metaphorical sense, when to become one is rich in symbolism and is most commonly associated with love and union. Here, it refers to the deep connection and bond that forms between two people in a romantic relationship, symbolizing their commitment to become a unified partnership. This expression beautifully captures the essence of marriage or any devoted relationship, where individual identities blend in harmony, creating a strong, single entity. The phrase also holds significant cultural weight, often appearing in literature, music, and religious texts to convey unity and harmony. For example, in many wedding ceremonies, the concept of when to become one is a central theme, highlighting the importance of togetherness and shared destiny. It's a powerful expression that resonates with the human desire for connection and unity. To fully grasp the phrase's versatility, let's look at some examples. In music, the song "To Become One" by the Spice Girls uses the phrase to talk about the intimacy and connection in a romantic relationship. In literature, many poems and novels use this concept to describe the merging of hearts and souls in love. In everyday conversation, you might hear someone say, "We need to act as one on this project," applying the idea of unity towards a common goal. Understanding the phrase, when to become one, opens up a deeper appreciation for the way language can capture the complex and beautiful aspects of human experience. Whether it's the literal merging of elements or the profound connection between people, this expression has the power to evoke a sense of unity and togetherness. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and added a new layer to your English language journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.